Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hawla Liwalid Magno from Group 7. So the topic that I will discuss is the continuation of Thailand. Culture and tradition and food delicacies of Thailand. The culture of Thailand incorporates cultural beliefs and characteristics to the area known as modern day. So, meaning to say, napapanatili nila ang kanilang tradition beliefs while adapting to modern life, making their culture unique and progressive. Literature in Thailand is heavily influenced by Indian Hindu culture. Dahil sa malapit ng ugnay ng Thailand sa India, many of their stories and poems carry Hindu themes, showing the close connection between Thai culture and Indian culture. Thai people usually don't show affection in public as they find it disrespectful. Meaning to say, ang mga Thai people usually don't show affection in public. Like for example, holding hands or kissing in public. For them, this is a sign of respect for others and consider more polite behavior. Thai people strive towards refinement in their everyday life. This has been a strong part of the cultural identity. This is shown by their good manners and their soft-spokenness. Ang mga Thai people are known for being polite and soft-spoken. This shows their respect for others. Tradition of Thailand including festivals, costumes, and respect. The Songkran Festival, one of the most famous Thai tradition is the Songkran Festival, which mark the Thai New Year. Tuwing Abril, dito nagsasaboy ang mga tao ng tubig as a symbol of wishing away bad luck and welcoming good fortune. Ang Loy Krathong naman is another important festival held in November, where people release small boats or floats o tinatawag na krathongs with candles onto rivers or ponds. Here are some of the most famous food delicacies in Thailand. Number 1, Pad Thai. Number 2, Tom Yum. And number 3, Khao Soi. Number 4, Som Tam.